Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find free Patreon posts from your favorite creators. First, open Patreon in your web browser. Use the search bar to look for your favorite creator. Once you're on their page, navigate to the post or archive section to see all their content. Creators often label posts as free, public, or for everyone. Free posts might also say free for all or simply public. These are posts you can view without paying and sometimes even without logging in. Scroll to the page carefully to spot these posts. Some creators also share previews of paid content, free downloads, updates, or tips as public posts. Keep an eye out for any post marked clearly as free or open access. Creators sometimes share free content outside Patreon as well. Check their Twitter, Instagram, Discord server, or official website for public links to free posts. Many creators offer a free tier on Patreon. To access this, click Join on the creators page, then select the $0 free tier option. This will give you access to all posts that are available for that tier. Once you've joined the free tier, make sure to enable email notifications or turn on notifications in the Patreon app. This way, you'll never miss a new free post or update from your favorite creator. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.